All right, we are in North Broken Arrow today in Oklahoma, checking out the Whiskey Ridge neighborhood. Now, this is brand new construction from DR Horton Homes, America's largest builder. And yes, I know some people might be thinking, oh, I don't know, I've heard weird things about them. Well, it's the largest builder. Obviously, you can't make everybody happy, but I can tell you here in the Green Country area, they are pretty fabulous and have a lot of happy customers. So you need to come see them for yourself. This plan is the Eureka. It is 2,115 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, single story, and you have this fabulous 2-car garage. Now, obviously, this color doesn't have to be green, but I kind of like it. Let's head on in here and check it out. Now, Whiskey Ridge does offer some really cool amenities like a pickleball court, and you've also got a pool, and this neighborhood backs up to a Mustang horse sanctuary, essentially. There's like 400 of them. It is quite something to see. But right inside here, you can see you got tile floors throughout, which is pretty fabulous. And then I'll show you that front entryway. You'll notice the smart home features like the alarm system and the doorbell. You've also got a smart door lock as well. And what's great about that is it's one of those features that kind of comes with all DR Horton homes. You get 5 switches. So if you want to control your home from the beach, or if you want to, let the Amazon guy in for your packages, control your lighting, all that kind of stuff, DR Horton has those features available if you want them. But here's your dining area here, and then your living space. Absolutely massive island with the shaker cabinets. I really like this floor plan. You have the undermounted sink there as well. Pantry, gas range in this one. Now this one is going to run you about $369,500. In Whiskey Ridge, though, they start at about $349-ish to live in here. So pretty great, massive yard, almost a half an acre. Not all of the lots in here are this large, but this particular one does have a massive lot. You do have some outdoor space here as well. The recessed lighting, pretty great. And heading back in, we'll check out that primary bedroom. Really good size. Love those big windows. And then most of your finishes are going to be the same in DR Horton houses as far as really the whole house, because they are a production builder. So you get these tile with the tile surrounds. I'm going to call it a garden tub. You got the standing shower, and then dual vanities. Really good size closet on this Eureka plan. I wouldn't say they're all this big, but they aren't small by any means. They do have good size closets. Moving around here, we'll come back through. Now remember, this is a single story. So on the other side of the house here, you're going to find those other bedrooms and then the 2-car garage, which I don't know that I really need to show you, but here's your utility room right here. And then the 2 bedrooms. Here is the bath on this side of the house. And you do have that tiled shower as well. And then right here, that would be your garage. So let me know what you think about this floor plan. Now, obviously, we have a lot of other options available, not just this floor plan. They've also got a tankless hot water heater, the Renai, I believe. And then you've also got a 10-year foundation warranty as well. So pretty great stuff. The bonuses of new construction, I mean, you're getting a brand new home, so you don't have to worry about the what if of stuff breaking, because you get that warranty, so you give that peace of mind, which is pretty great. But also, DR Horton is a production builder, and because of that, they're able to offer a lot of incentives. So Some of their rate buy downs are even getting into the 4.5 range, which is pretty fabulous on select homes. So if you're trying to save some money on the interest rate, definitely give me a call. We'll get you connected with DR Horton because that is a significant savings on your payment. So that could be the ticket that you've been waiting for. But again, you also get this brand new house and you're in Whiskey Ridge. So some of the other things, like I mentioned, I'll show you some photos here of the pickleball court. And then you've also got this fabulous pool. And it's a very quiet neighborhood as well. So this area of Broken Arrow isn't super hustle and bustle, but you're also not that far from the Rose District, or even the Gathering Place is only about 26 minutes away. I just mapped it before I started this video. So very convenient location if you do still need to commute to Tulsa, but you maybe want to live in Broken Arrow where it's a little bit less hustle and bustle. So you've also got the smart home technology that I briefly mentioned. So it's the Deco system. You've got light fixtures, you can do cameras. Safe Haven and ADT manage all of the security portions, but imagine, you want to set the temperature of your home before you even get home. You can open your garage door and your front door from the comfort of the beach on vacation when someone needs to get into your house for whatever reason, if you have contractors, or like I mentioned briefly, Amazon packages. You don't have to worry about porch pirates or something because you can just have them put it right in your front door or right in your garage or whatever your needs are. But pretty great stuff. And I think Oklahoma's a little behind the adoption of smart home technology, but I think it's great that DR Horton is making it available because me personally, could just be because I'm younger, but I think it's pretty cool stuff. Even more so though, because it's a new home and DR Horton takes the extra step, they're energy efficient houses. So you're gonna be saving on electricity. They've got the Schluter system in your showers to help with, water leakage and all of that kind of stuff. So they go the extra mile and even the things that you can't see to help make your home purchase even that much more better because you're gonna be living in this house for years to come. So I think it's pretty great. If you're interested in new construction, obviously reach out to me. DR Horton might be just what you've been waiting for. Be happy to connect you with the local sales rep here. But with that, let me know in the comments, what do you think about the Eureka floor plan? And I will see you in the next one.